We got an RFD, got a heavy rain on the back side of it, just to the north, and it's a tornado. There's a real tight little gustnado, multiple vortices right now. Can you see it?
Yep, I can see it. It's a lot of rain and a lot of dust mixed in with it, dude. I can see it.
Yeah, we had it. I mean, it's... There's two areas, one large area of rotation, and yeah, and then there's yeah, are you looking through the rain at it, or what?
Yeah, I'm looking through the rain, but I'm getting a little bit back out west.
Oh, you got something going there too? Yeah, it looks like I can see real good something down there. It looks like a gustnado or something.
That's a massive one.
Yeah.